Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Whoa, solid. I like your seat. That's how you get louder.
Yeah, sometimes.
Wow. So I do like YouTube. Jacob Vile, what's going on, man?
How's it going?
What's your name and what's in here?
Zach car, it's 6 XV318s, powered by 6 Cat 45s. They're snug.
What are the amps wired to on this?
They're 0.7, they see 0.7.
Really? You fit, that's a lot of cone you fit in this little thing. You did a good job, man. And I like your bracing on it, you know, really nice. Is this double or triple?
Single layer.
Single layer, okay.
Single layer with single layer cage behind it. Okay. So it's inch and a half thick all the way around.
And you actually have two subs here.
Yep.
And this is amazing. You did a lot of fab work to make this fit. Wow. Nice work. Have you done any SPL tests on it yet?
It can 65. When that door decides to hold itself together.
Yeah.
It's taken a lot of a beating.
What's your electrical like?
3 Brand X 320s on one of his newer silver boxes.
Is the paint pretty fresh, or is that just white specks everywhere?
This is dust.
It's dust, okay. Wow, because I was noticing it flying everywhere.
I've been trying to clean it out.
What happened to this?
They're so heavy, I just had to cut them so I can fit.
Wow.
Just trying to increase airflow.
I was going to say, just removing these two things. Wow, I've never seen that before. I thought I'm surprised it hasn't popped. Wow, that's different.
And here she is.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. I like it. Looks windy. Wow.
I got model bitches wanna make me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last night savage bitch, but no I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B, and I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy.
Listen.
brandy. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up.
Wow. The pressure is moving everything. Appreciate it. Thank you for the demo, man. Is there Anthony in the back open I can go look at?
Yeah, it was good.
Really good job with the build.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Zach Card.
Thanks, Zach.
Yeah, man, it's pretty good.
You have a good day.